as you can see, we have TIA portal and S7-1200. I'm using this analog input. Let's check out the analog input. Channel 1 is IW112. It's on current 4 to 20 milliampere, and the channel 1 is IW114. Let's go to OB1. As you can see, we have norm X and scale X. I have the IW1112 02 27468. It goes to M10, and then M10 scale to MWB. This is the last final angle of the inclination sensor, and as you can see, we have another one for scale X. Okay, I bring these number on HMI. As you can see, there is no big deal, and let's go on the devices. This is the wiring of the inclination sensor. As you can see, I have the power supply. It goes to brown and blue, and then I have two channel 0 and 1, and one of them goes to pink and another one goes to purple, and we have a gray one. Gray one is for minus of the analog input channel. That's it. Okay, let's see on the HMI the result. This is the final result. As you can see, I have movement on the X and on the Y.